Yesterday, we've had a really nice deviation from our range low. So basically, I've told you that range low is the support for Bitcoin price right now. And yeah, we've got a really nice deviation. So there was, if we zoom in, you can see that there was basically no reaction at the low of the channel. Well, we've got this bullish candle, but selling pressure was very high. And what we had done is came back to our trend line. I showed you this trend line yesterday also in my video. And yeah, basically we touched it. We had a really nice bounce from it for 1.8%. Then we came back. We touched it again, swing failuring this low, basically liquidating and stopping out early longs. And then price started to try to break the low of the range. When we had an acceptance, price went up really nicely. And what we had right now is basically the rejection from our middle of the channel. Almost what we have done is swing failured these highs, and yeah, price went down. So right now we are in a zone of no trade, in my opinion, because we are basically at the middle of the range. If we take our fixed range tool from maybe here where we touched our low of the range, you can see that we are right now at the point of control. So you can see that this is a price action in which you shouldn't be, I think so, in a trade, because what we are looking for is to trade the low of the range or the high of the range, potentially this high also. But as you can see, we're right now in a smaller range. As I told you yesterday, that this is very possible to form a smaller range to the middle of the channel. Basically, we have low and the high would be middle of the channel. And as you can see, we had a really nice rejection from here. Also, what I want to show you is the speed fan, which is really respected right now. If we take it from this high to this low, you can see that this speed fan is really nicely respected. So what you can see is the basically where we started it. You can see we went to the 618 speed fan, back to the 382, back to the 618, and we are right now hovering above 0.5 speed fan. So support is the 0.5 for now, and resistance is 618. So that is basically two important levels in my opinion. So basically you can use this speed fan because it is really respected. So now let's talk about our resistance and support levels and why they're important levels. If I show you my daily levels, you can see that we are also right now at the daily open. So yeah, we are deciding whether we are going to the upside, to the previous day value area high, or previous day value area low. So very simply, let's talk about our support level. As I said, previous day value area low is the level which we might go to. And what is the confluence to this level? Well, basically, if we pull our lovely Fibonacci retracement tool from this low to the high, you can see that we have a really nice confluence to our previous day value area low. We have a golden pocket. Also, it is really near to our range low. So yeah, that is another confluence. And what we have is the daily level. You can see this blue line. Let me show it. So like that, you can see we have a blue line. So this is a daily level. So this is another confluence to our support level. And also, as you can see, in a 30 minutes time frame, we have an order block right here. So this is another confluence basically to our support level. So yeah, this is why this basically this is the reasons why this level is a key level. It is a little bit of a zone, not a strict level. So as we can see, we have 0.5% zone of support. And yeah, as we know our support level, let's talk right now about our resistance. So very simply, what we have as a resistance, nothing really changed from yesterday. We have a previous day value area high. Let me hide other things. So as you can see, we have previous day value area high, and it is also, you can see that the price action was really respecting this line, this key level. So this is why I'm looking at it as an important key level. Also, we have middle of the channel right here of this bigger channel. As I said, we can draw another smaller channel, basically like that. And as you can see, the middle of the channel right here is also really respected. So that is basically confirmation or confluence that this range is valid and it is respected. So one could say that this is the high of the range, and another people can say that this is the middle of the range, and they are both right, because basically one is looking at the smaller range and one is looking at the bigger range. So basically we have middle of the range and high of another range. We have a previous day value area high, and also if we take our Fibonacci retracement from this high to the low, also you can see that we have a golden pocket right here, which is not really respected, so I don't really like it very much. What I could do is pull it from this high, but it is not very valid Fibonacci pull in my opinion, because basically you can see that the impulse started clearly from here. So what I could do is basically pull it from here, and that gives me a really nice confluence to the middle of the channel. And it also means that we can have a swing failure pattern of these highs, stopping out any shorts. And then if we'll basically go back into our range, close right here, see an acceptance, that would be a short trigger for me. And yeah, that could mean that we are going to the low of the channel again, at least to the point of control. As you know, we have it right here. So at least to the point of control, then we'll decide if we'll go back to the high or break it and go to the low of the range. So very simply, this is the plan for today. And also, if I pull my fixed range tool, you can see that we have a value area high also right here, and another confluence is what? As you can see, we have a value area high right here, so it gives to us a little bit bigger range. Maybe if I pull it from here, we'll have another value area high. No. So basically, yeah, this is the, again, zone of resistance, I would say, from the range high to the value area high. This is a range of 1% of resistance. So yeah, very simply, that is the plan for today. And if you liked my technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notifications bell so you won't miss my daily Bitcoin technical analysis updates. And yeah, have a brilliant day everyone. See you later and bye.